Breaking news. Panic sweeps the nation as the 2023 NFL season kicks off with a storm of interceptions and injuries. In the midst of this chaos, one beacon of hope remains: TrendRider AI. The havoc on the field is matched only by the frenzy in fans' living rooms as they grapple with the unexpected. But fear not. With TrendRider AI, you can convert this pandemonium into profits. Ride the trend, folks. Turn these shocking interceptions and injuries into engaging videos within minutes. Don't just watch the game, become a player. Sign up for TrendRider AI now. TrendRider AI allows you to create engaging videos connecting your brand to trending topics in lightning speed. Try TrendRider AI today and ride the trend.